Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome. I'm here with Krystal Finch, my beautiful friend, and she's with Media Systems. And we're here in Clear Lake. We are about to start demo on this brand new whole house renovation project. So I gave Krystal a call to come and help me with some of the things that my clients are needing. They need some automatic shades, invisible speakers, which is exciting.
Yes.
That's very
My favorite.
yeah, you mentioned that on my podcast. That was one of your favorite things is the invisible
Yes.
speakers. So I'm excited to work with you with those.
Yeah.
Your company is going to be running some hardwiring for some TVs, so that way it's all access to the internet on all the TVs.
Yes.
Yeah, and some lighting and some running some electrical for security systems. So a whole bunch of things for my clients here.
Yeah.
We haven't started demo. Like I said, we're going to be starting that tomorrow. So the main thing I want to ask you is the importance
Yes.
of me bringing you onto this project so early.
And I appreciate you for calling me when you did, because especially with a client that wants invisible speakers, then we know that we have all the time to be able to sheetrock, repair, and do all of those things, because it's not easy to add those in a retrofit situation, but it is possible. So anything is possible as long as you get us involved early enough.
So, and you guys do all kinds of really interesting, funky things. So
Yes.
tell us just a little bit about the company and what you guys
Yes. So we are turnkey. So we do everything from the rough-in to installation to servicing afterwards. So we make sure that we have all the proper wires in. So like you mentioned with the TVs, we're going to make sure that each TV location has Cat6 wiring so we can directly connect to the internet. We make sure we have enough wires for all the devices that we're going to use, whether it's Apple TV, Roku, any other devices that might use internet, so that we can save the Wi-Fi for the devices that need it, like laptops, phones, all those other things.
Because everybody uses lots of devices, so that's important.
Exactly.
This is so exciting. I'm happy to have you onto this project, and I can't wait to work together some more. So
Me too.
thank you so much, Krystal.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
Stay tuned for more from this project.
Yes.